I'm dreaming of a white
Oh, this snow is wet. You can
Christmas.
tell that it's like
Oh, maybe because
about
it's
to
not too
melt.
cold.
Yeah.
Guys, look at it. It's winter wonderland here in Canada.
It's
So
beautiful.
pretty. So we're gonna go out, take some pictures, and take some B-rolls. We'll show you the snow. How do you guys like the snow so far? I know we have a lot of Philippine viewers, so you don't get
you
snow.
probably have never seen the snow.
No, many people haven't seen snow, so this is your chance.
Do you want me to react to the snow? It's kind of wet at this moment. 'Cause
Snow
it's not too
reaction.
cold. As soon as it touches your skin, it melts.
It melts.
And then it's annoying when it gets in your neck, because then you freeze for a second and then you're fine.
But it's so pretty. So we're gonna go to the woods. This is a trail. This is where I always go for a run when I used to live here in Guelph. And we're gonna show you. It's so pretty because in the winter, when it's snowing, it's all white. Can do the windshield.
Alright guys, here we are. So we arrived to our location. We just parked the car and now we're gonna get in the woods right there and take some good shots. If you don't see any other vlogs, it means that a bear probably found us and killed us.
So this is beautiful during fall as well. This is actually where we took our fall photos. And this is where I take all my engagement photo shoot couple. Look how nice! Guys, we just finished taking pictures and B-rolls. Now we're on our way to grab food, some snacks, and tonight we're gonna have another party with a Filipino.
Definitely this photo shoot and B-rolls was a big success. So now I'm very, very, very excited to get some hot coffee or something like that.
Oh yeah, coffee would be nice.
Coffee and then a little snack and then some relaxation.
Yes. This is nice.
I love my job. I love this. This is amazing. This is life.
I don't know what we're thinking. We were looking for a restaurant that's open on Christmas Day and everything else is closed except for
Chinese food!
Chinese food!
I am very happy to see everything closed because it means they're spending time with their family.
Yes.
And we're the stupid ones not staying at home.
I don't know why we're not staying at home. Why are we not staying at
This
home?
is you. I don't know what you're thinking.
Okay, let's try some Chinese food. We have no choice.
driving around for half an hour. I'm kind of done. Okay.
A few inches later.
There you go, guys. We finished our food. And now we're gonna go home, make coffee at home, drink coffee because there's no coffee open. The amount of times we say coffee in our vlogs, we should be sponsored.
Look at all this mofo skating. Mother.
We're talking about
Hey
it.
guys. So food at the Chinese restaurant was good. It was a lot, huge portion. We could have eaten for a whole week. And the guy, the son of the owner, it was so cute. It was a small kid, and he offered us eggs at the end, boiled eggs, that he was gonna eat for lunch. Anyways, now we're heading home. We're gonna get coffee.
So
and
nice. The innocent, eh? The innocence of youth.
Yani always starts the car with the brake on. I don't know how he's still alive. I want to show you the difference between my face in camera, so with no filters, and the one on my Instagram. Very edited.
So close.
Very edited, very filtered.
Fabio uses Facetune. I don't. I use Freshtune.
I don't use
Fresh
Facetune. I don't.
Natural beauty.
I don't use Facetune
You don't because you use the other
unless I need to delete some wrinkles. Then.
We're home. We're making coffee. Cut. Fabio.
Tomorrow I'm leaving, guys. I'm going to Vienna tomorrow.
Yes. Tell them.
Shut up, I'm sharing with them my feelings because you don't listen to me. It's true, he doesn't listen to me. All he says is, just hold on, hanging there.
Guys, look! Food's almost ready for tonight. Wow, he's making bagnit. Is that bagnit? He's making bagnit. Good morning! Good morning, Baltimore! Ayan, technique ng papa ko ay ilalagay sa oven. Ang bagnates. We're getting ready for our dinner Christmas party tonight.
Really? How about the other
Hey
one?
guys, hey guys, I just want to share with you that
Shocking naman yung outfit mo!
Oh,
Wow! Ano ba naman yan?
ang babaeng suga.
Babaeng suga.
Naama lagi kay black and white. Kana na lang naama si Papa.
Yes,
Sige,
yes,
black
look
and
at the outfit. I thought it was black and white.
Ako si Pablo yung ana.
I thought black and white right now. Yes.
Naaman me.
See?
Tesa.
Oh, see?
let me wipe your hands. Go Yani! Go Yani!
Di ba ko siya Mongol pencil?
Go Yani!
Go Yani! Go Yani! Oh my god, oh, that sounds like go Yani!
Just on it! Just on it!
You did that? Speechless. I already cannot do that.
Umanaw!
Ingon, anad.
Get in there, Kale.
Got it!
Don't touch the table,
There, hey. Mom, okay lang.
It's fragile.